everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently I'm standing outside 22nd Street and the Boardwalk because there's a massive new project taking place right on the street. Where I'm standing used to be a ramp. I'll explain to you what this means, but before I do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. About 2 months ago, it was announced in the city notes that they had plans to go ahead and redo 22nd Street because Seaport Piers became so successful and became so busy that people are coming down here, dropping off their friends and try to drive away, but unfortunately, it causes a lot of backup over here. Of course, when they built this ramp and when they built the city, the mindset was, A, the cars are smaller, they can make U-turns and head back. Well, it's not like that anymore. Cars are a lot bigger, and so the city said, let's go ahead and redevelop this section right here. Go ahead and make a big roundabout so that you can come down, circle around, and head back up instead of heading up, then backing up and moving back and forth to go the other way. So right now, they're in the middle of building this brand new roundabout right here. That's right. And so today, they finally got rid of the ramp, and it looks strange. Let me flip the camera around. If you're like me, you always remembered a ramp being here. Whether it was Seaport Pier or Seaport Village, there was always some kind of ramp. Even when they had the North Wildwood Fishing Club over here, there was a ramp here. So it's interesting to see it gone, but what's also interesting is the fact that I didn't realize there was this much space here. I mean, you really could put a decent-sized roundabout. Now, I don't know what they're going to do with this building, if they're moving it or if the roundabout's more on this side. But this is actually pretty interesting. Now, on the boardwalk itself, they close it off by putting a little metal piece here. I think they'll put something more permanent once they're done. But there really is a lot of space here. It's going to be great to go ahead and add this new roundabout for everyone who's going to go to Seaport Pier and just dropping off. They are going to build another ramp, and they are adding in ADA ramps. So you'll still be taken care of. It's a lot better than the steep one we had here. It looks strange without the ramp there, right? I mean, just looking at it, I'm like, wow, that doesn't look right. But hey, I'm so happy that the city is doing this. It's going to make the traffic down here so much easier on the residents. We'll go ahead and give you guys some updates in the next few weeks. Probably actually, we'll come back in about a month to see where they're at. I honestly think this is going to be done before summer. So by the time Memorial Day rolls around, this will probably be ready to go. They already have pretty much everything over here. So thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you on the beach. Bye.